What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's case study we're going to run through a foundation repair contractor out in Texas, and I'm going to kind of run through and just show you some results we've gotten here from the first month of 2020, which is January 1 to January 31. Spending about $250 a day, 5,900 impressions, 132 clicks, 2.2% click-through rate. Average cost per click is $43. The guy spent about $5,700 in that month. He got 63 leads at a cost of $91 a lead. Now his page also converted at 47%, which is really awesome, and that is not the normal. Okay, so usually these guys are converting in this space. Their conversion rates are anywhere from 15 to 25. It's pretty much the industry standard. This guy's been a client of ours for a very long time, over a year or two. Actually, I think like a year, like 18 months, so almost 2 years. We have this really dialed in, and it's been a lot of tweaks, so over and over again, tweaking with the landing page to get it this way. We've also implemented a maximum conversion bidding strategy, so that was definitely helping with the conversion rate. Now the ad groups are all, as always, high intent people looking for foundation repair contractors, foundation repair companies, foundation crack repair, all kinds of people who have a problem, and we're just presenting their answer in the ad. So all we really have to do is just get our bidding right and put our solution in front when they're searching for the problem. It's pretty simple stuff. There's nothing crazy or outlandish here that we're bidding on. It's just all the basic foundation repair keywords. That's pretty much it. And we're using exact match and phrase match. We're not using modified broad match or broad match at all. We cut all of those because they were driving terrible quality leads, so we just want to get rid of them. Landing page is same as we always do, very simple. Call to action to call for a free estimate. Then it goes down to the main header, which has another call to action, pressing some pain points in the foundation repair industry, or I'm sorry, the niche or whatever, about why you have to get your foundation fixed, how it can endanger your family, stuff like that. Then a contact form, name, email, phone, tell us about your foundation problem, and best time to contact you is the contact form. A little bit about the company, then below that, a few reviews, then the final footer is just a straight up call to action for free estimate. And that's pretty much it. This campaign's pretty straightforward. The only thing that we probably should be working on more, and we're going to be implementing that shortly, is the click-through rate's not that great, 2.2. It's most likely because this is so dialed in, we just kind of let it coast and just check in every now and then and make sure everything's running smooth for the client. But we should really be doing more ad tweaking, so that's probably what's up next for this guy. Other than that, if you're interested in us running this type of foundation repair campaign for you or for one of your clients, reach out today and I can run through this with you on the back end and show you how everything works and we can get it rolled out to your client. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.